did you see that? No wonder it's not even heat. Are they burning? What do I do now, bro? How much? Hell, I don't know. Maybe my oil wasn't hot enough. Let's just go crazy. Good morning, everybody. Today we're gonna be doing a YouTube video on how to make cam. But before we do so, let's check out the weather. Whoa, yup, you know it. It's snowing outside. Yeah. All right. Now, let's make some cam. If you never had it, it's a Bosnian delicacy for breakfast. My first time doing it, and my first time doing it on YouTube. Let's do it together. Let's go. The recipe is very simple. 1 or 2 eggs, little bit of water, warmer, not cold. Next we have flour and salt. That should be it. Simple, right? Let's do it. All right, we're gonna take an egg. Boom. Crack an egg. Put it in. Should we do 2 eggs? Let's do 2 eggs. Second egg, in it goes. I've seen my mom make it. It looks easy. I'm stressing. What do I do now, bro? All right. Next, we're gonna take some flour. How much? Hell, I don't know. Let's just pour it in. Let's just go crazy. Whatever. Set that aside. Get our whisker. Now, if you're wondering why I have all this, I was trying it. All right. Whisk those eggs a little bit. Add our water, and it goes. We're not gonna overdo it. We're gonna add more flour. Let's see how this turns out. Is it gonna be, should it be runny? Does it need to be runny? Or does it need to be more thicker? Is it like pancakes? Hey, that's what it is, Bosnian pancakes. Yeah, that's what we're gonna call it. Uštipke, AKA Bosnian pancakes, here we come. Oh no, guys, that looks pretty solid to me, but we're gonna make more. Salt. All right, let's add more. How many am I gonna be able to make out of this? Have no idea. How many can I eat? 20. Water. Bosnian breakfast in 5 minutes. You know, here's a funny thing. When I go to my mom and I sit down, as soon as I sit down and I have my coffee, she's like, hey, breakfast is ready. How does she do it? I have no idea. If I'm gonna be doing this frequently, which I'm not, but I might if enough of you watch this video, I need to invest in that power whisk. I don't know, guys. This mixture looks good to me. And a touch of salt. Does it need to be runnier? Let's take a look. Look. I mean, that looks okay, doesn't it? I think so. Maybe a little bit more water? Maybe not. Whatever. YOLO. All right. Next up, we're gonna take this mix that we just made and we're gonna pour it into oil that's been warming up. You can see my test run I did. Hey, I had to do a test run, you guys. Come on. Now, here we go. Let's see. Ready? Let's do it. I don't like them thick. Some people do. My grandma makes these thick ones, but I'm shooting for the thin ones. Boom. See that? That's what it looks like. Now, we just let it run, let it do its thing. Maybe 2 minutes on one side, then we're gonna flip it for another side and see what we get. Now, if this goes good, I'm gonna start doing more cooking. I'm gonna start doing more food shows, more food YouTube. You know what I mean? Let's do it together. Look, they're starting to turn out okay. Now, I don't have it on high heat. We got it on low. Well, not low, like medium, whatever. But they're starting to look really nice. Well, I'm excited. Let's see what's gonna happen. All right, so now we wanna check to see how they're looking, you know? Are they burning? What the color looks like? Ooh, still pale, not good. We're gonna let it a little bit longer. Maybe my oil wasn't hot enough. I don't know, let's go. Now let's check it again. Still a little bit on the pale side, but I'm gonna flip them. They're starting to get color, but I don't want them crunchy, you know? I'm guessing the heat is too hot. Lower it down a little bit. And now we let it go and cook for a couple of more minutes on the other side before we give it a try. Ooh. Meanwhile, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a plate, all right? We're gonna take some napkin, we're gonna put it in. Why? Because all that oil, we want it to drip. Don't ask me why. We're trying to be healthy. You know? Oh, I'm excited, guys. How do you like your ustupke? Personally, I love it with sour cream. That's how I do it. So, yeah. I don't know. Some people might like it with like powdered sugar, syrup, like if you're eating pancakes. But I'm excited, guys. First food show. Let's go. They're looking legit. I mean, let me show you. They're looking legit. Good shape, good color. Nice shape, nice color. The taste, we're about to find out. Well, let's do this for another minute. We're gonna flip it and we're gonna do more. Maybe I do need higher temperature. Do this faster, you know? Like, we don't wanna be here all day. We're trying to do breakfast in 5 minutes. Maybe it's gonna take us a little bit longer because it's our first time. Let's go. All right, so now, I think the color looks good. I don't like them pale, you know, I don't like them super soft. I like them a little bit darker. So anyway, you can see now what the color looks like. Yeah. We're gonna take it, all right, and we're gonna drop it off. Take another one, drop it off. Take another one. Let it drip a little bit. But you can see all that oil, how it drips. This one's still a little bit pale. This one's getting color. But there we go. Now, try to do this one-handed. Let's do it together. Not a big scoop, but just want to show you. This one's gonna be a little mini. You see that? Just like that. All right. I'm not that good, guys. Don't judge. I'm not that good. But anyway, I find it easier if I take the bowl, lean it, fill it, and drop it in. Just like that. This one is ready, this one's ready, so we're gonna take these out. And then you have these crispy little pieces, you see that? Take them out so they're not in your way. I do love them. I do love those little pieces. They do taste good. Oh. Dang, did you see that? That oil literally splashed. It splashed, bro. It splashed. Look, careful. Should I be wearing eye protection? Let's not get too close to it. But anyway, now we got another round going. So we're gonna give this one a minute from the looks of it. The oil is much hotter now. So we're gonna give this one like a minute and then we're gonna flip them. Maybe I can squeeze one more. You know, now that I think about it, I could have gotten away with just one egg. Like, legit. Okay. How's the color looking? Pale? Let's move these to the side. Pick up these little pieces. Bro, I don't know. It's always easier when you watch somebody else do it. They make it look so effortless. You know what I mean? Like when I go over to my mom's house and she makes these for breakfast, bro, I don't know. Honestly, I never watched her do it. I just eat it. Alright, whatever. We got a few more out of that one. What have I got myself into? Alright, I think it's time to flip these. Oh yeah. Hurry up, buddy. These were starting to burn. No wonder it's not even heat. Half of my pan was on the other side. Newbie. Are we in the middle? Yeah, we're in the middle now. We're cooking now, guys. We're cooking. All right. Yeah, you can see these. When you leave it on too long, they start to burn a little bit. Well, not burn, just get darker. And if you leave them longer, they will burn. Note to self, Be careful when cooking. Double check. Is this fun? Not really. Is it gonna be tasty? Maybe. But that was a dangerous splash. Tilt a little bit, clean it up, wipe it off. How we looking, Bubba? How we looking? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. These are done. These are done. This one's done. Almost. 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 Wow. Almost there. All right, here we go. That one's done. I think they're all done. They're all done. We're taking them out, guys. We're taking them out. We're taking it out. Hold on, phone call. Not right now, bro. All right, so they're out. We're gonna give them a try. Take our little plate. Bro, I made quite a few. Check it out. Boom. See what they look like? See that? So, let's grab some ice cream. Ice cream? Sour cream, bro. Let's grab some sour cream and let's give it a try, all right? We got our sour cream. I almost had a panic attack. I went into the fridge. I'm like, where's the sour cream? But anyway, you can eat it. People eat it with cheese. They eat it with sour cream. There's also Ivar spread, which is like this pepper spread or whatever, roasted pepper spread. I don't know what it's made out of, but you know what I mean, Google it. But anyway, you can mix those two together and do your thing. Eat it however you like. This is what I do. This is how I like it. Grab one paper plate. Let's do it together. Sour cream, boom. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Are you ready for it? I mean, I got the scars to prove it that I made it. So here we go. We're gonna do the little one. We're gonna do the little one. They're still hot. We're gonna dip it in sour cream. Ooh, still hot. Bam, just like that. Taste-wise, taste okay. First time doing it, taste okay. Definitely doesn't taste anywhere near as close as to when my mom makes it. But it tastes okay. It tastes all right. Trying to figure out what I did wrong. Now, the first test batch when I did it, before I started the video, of course, is I added 1 egg. And with 1 egg, it seems to have, here, let me show you. It's a little bit thinner, you see that? So I almost feel like adding 2 eggs was a little bit too much. But then I thought, you know, maybe I'm gonna make more. I need 2 eggs, bigger mixture, whatever. But yeah, I think I'm gonna stick with 1 egg. Yeah, 1 egg. And maybe I need to make it a little bit more runnier. The texture, the mix, whatever you call it. Make it more runnier. And then I think it's gonna be. But anyway, taste-wise, on my scale, let's try another one. My scale, taste, for these, hold on, maybe that was a small one. Yeah. I give myself 6 out of 10. 6 out, 6. Yeah, 6. 6 out of 10. Yeah, so definitely 1 egg, runnier mixture, more mixture, so we can make more. But, I mean, that's plenty. I made like 15, so yeah, it's all good, guys. All right, well, thank you for watching. Next time, we're gonna do something else. I don't know what, but maybe I'll come up with an idea. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, update before we end it. It's actually not bad. It's like 9 out of 10. You know, I think I did pretty okay. I'm actually surprised. I'm very impressed. But also, this is smoked beef, which goes good with it. I don't have any dried cheese or anything like that, but I got smoked beef. Compliment to my sister-in-law's father. Pretty good. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. That's the smoked beef. And those are my oyster kid. That's my sour cream. 9 out of 10, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.